Hey guys, welcome to BTech. Gina here with the first Friday roundup of the year. Yeah, that seems a little bit strange. We're in February, so we kind of realized we haven't done a Friday roundup in a long time, and Basil and I, we talked about it and we really missed doing them. We hope that you've missed watching them. So we're bringing them back with a bang. To show you just how serious we are, we're giving away a massive prize this week. Yep, we are giving away a brand new phone. I'm going to leave you in suspense about that one for a little bit longer and get through the update first. But if you really can't wait, you can jump to the numbers on the side of the screen and that will take you where you want to go. But I suggest you stick with me the whole way through. So first things first, and on to what we have been reviewing lately here at BTech. And it's been all about the Honor 5X. If you follow us on Instagram, you will have seen that Basil was flown to Munich for the launch of this phone. And if you don't follow us on Instagram, I suggest you go and do that right now so you can see awesome stuff like Basil being flown to Munich. So he's made the call. He's said this phone is the most affordable premium smartphone out there available right now. It's only £189. So if you haven't seen the full review he did or all the comparison videos he made, make sure you do check out those videos on the channel after this. We also asked you guys which reviews you'd like to see out of the phones we missed. And so thanks to your votes, we have a review of the Nexus 6P and one of the full Z5 family on their way. We're hoping to get them live on the channel before MWC. We also got our hands on a pair of Libratone speakers. So these things are crazy cool because you can have one, you can have 2, 3, 4, whatever, and control all of them from one application on your phone. So it can be a multi-room experience. You can put one in your lounge, one in your kitchen, one in your bedroom, and wherever you're walking in the house, you've got your favorite music playing. Or you can put them all in one room and create a surround sound experience. Awesome. They've also got a crazy good battery life of 8 to 10 hours, and they'll stream anything that you want to throw at it. We've had them going in the office for the past few weeks and we love them. So if you've got any questions at all, make sure you drop them in the comments section below and we will let you know more about the Libratone speakers. So that's what's been happening at BTech, but what's been happening in the greater tech world? Well, quite a lot actually. We have seen leaked photographs of the Samsung Galaxy S7, and that has gotten us all excited for Mobile World Congress. So the photos show a significantly smaller camera hump and a curved back. There's also been rumblings the S7 Edge will have a crazy 3700 milliamp battery. And LG has confirmed that the G5 will have an always-on display. Bring on MWC. HTC has also been rumoured to be announcing the M10 in April, but under a different name. And Final Fantasy IX became available on Android and iOS, which is, super exciting for gamers. Not me, but I know a lot of you out there are because the comments on Basil's video have been going crazy. He's made a video talking you through the highs and the lows of the game on his Android phone, so make sure you do check that out before you think about downloading it because there are some things you need to know, like how much space you need to have on your phone. I also learnt about something pretty cool from Vodafone called Vodafone Zone. Now that's Zone with an X, not a Z. And it's basically a range of products that's targeted towards more of the early adopters out there because these products are still in the beta testing phase. So really, if you want to become part of the product development, you can buy one of these things. You do have to buy them, they're not free, but you can buy one and you can let Vodafone know your feedback and what you like, what you don't, what you think they should change, and so eventually you'll become part of the finished product, which is pretty cool. So they sent us one which is called Find Zone, and it's this GPS tracker you can attach to your luggage or your dog or whatever, and then look at the application on your phone and it'll show you where your tracker is. It's pretty cool. So if that sounds like, your cup of tea, I will put the link to the website in the description below and you can become a beta tester for Vodafone. And finally, something which caught my eye this week because it is a little bit weird, but I don't know, I think I like it. It's this caffeinated bracelet brought to you by a Canadian company called Juul. So basically you put the bracelet on and it lets caffeine into your system really, really slowly throughout the day. Juul says that it's better than a cup of coffee because there's no highs and lows from the caffeine hit, there's no stained teeth, there's no calories, and there's no waiting in line for a cup of coffee. I don't know what I think about this though, because I personally love a cup of coffee. I love the warmth of the mug, I love the smell of the coffee shop, so I don't know. I mean, it's worth a try because a cup of coffee is expensive every day, but there's something so enriching about a cup of coffee in the morning. I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you enjoy a cup of coffee, or are you just drinking it for that caffeine hit? So if you want to support Joule, it is an Indiegogo campaign at the moment, and I will put the link in the description below. So we did promise you guys the chance to win a brand new phone, and it's finally time. We are giving away, drumroll please, a brand new Honor 5X. We love this phone. We love its full metal body, its 5.5-inch screen, we love its fingerprint scanner and its micro SD card slot. But we thought one of you guys might love it too, and we just wanted to say thank you for sticking with us and for supporting our channel. So there are a few different ways to enter, and they're all in the description below, but I just wanted to highlight maybe my favorite way that you can enter. So the Honor 5X has got a crazy good Full HD screen, like beautiful, and we thought maybe someone who's broken the screen of their current phone would appreciate having this beautiful screen. So if you go onto Instagram and you tag yourself in a photo of you with your broken screen, make sure you tag BTech too, and that will give you a bonus entry. So get entering and good luck to everyone. I know I would love to win this phone. The winner will be announced on next week's Friday update. Until then, make sure you hit subscribe so you can support our channel and keep up with everything we're doing, and we will see you next week.